What's up, everyone? Today on Triplezon, we're checking out a tool that's going to change the way you grill and roast forever, the Thermomaven WT02 Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you're tired of guessing if your steak is perfectly done, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started. The Thermomaven WT02 is a total game changer because it solves the biggest headache with wireless thermometers, the connection range. Most devices out there rely only on Bluetooth, which often cuts out the moment you walk into the kitchen or sit on the couch. This model uses advanced Wi-Fi connectivity, which means you can monitor your BBQ from virtually anywhere. Since it is 100% wireless, you won't have to deal with any tangled cords or messy wires getting in the way of your grill lid. What really sets the Thermomaven WT02 apart is its incredible precision. It features 6 NIST certified sensors, with 5 inside the probe and 1 on the outside to give you a professional grade reading. It is accurate within half a degree, so you never have to worry about overcooking an expensive piece of meat again. You actually get 2 ultra-thin probes in the box, which is perfect if you're cooking 2 different dishes at the same time, like a chicken and a brisket. Because the probes are so slim, they do not tear up the meat, which helps keep all those delicious juices and flavors inside. One of my favorite things about the Thermomaven WT02 is the smart display base. Unlike many other brands, you do not actually need your phone to see what is happening. The base itself shows you real-time temperatures and lets you set your targets right there. Of course, if you love using your phone, there is a dedicated app that gives you even more control. It is also built to handle the heat. The probes can withstand temperatures up to 752 degrees, making them safe for high heat searing. And when you are finished cooking, cleanup is a breeze because the probes are waterproof and dishwasher safe. You also do not have to worry about the battery dying during a long smoking session. The base stays powered for over 24 hours on a full charge, and the probes charge incredibly fast. Just 2 minutes in the charger gives you 2 hours of cooking time. Whether you are a dedicated backyard grill master or just someone who wants a perfect Sunday roast without the stress, this thermometer makes the whole process foolproof. It takes all the guesswork out of the kitchen so you can focus on enjoying your meal with friends and family. Stop guessing and start cooking like a pro every single time. If you want to grab one for your next cookout, check the price link in the description. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more great kitchen and grill gear. Thanks for watching and happy grilling.